Why is WIX editor so slow? The WIX editor can sometimes feel slow due to a combination of factors. If your browser is overloaded with tabs or extensions, it may struggle to run the editor smoothly. Similarly, a slow or unstable internet connection can cause delays when loading elements or saving changes. Additionally, if your site includes heavy media files, like high-resolution images or videos, the editor might take longer to render and process updates. WIX's servers handle millions of users worldwide, and during peak times, you might experience slight delays. Editing on an older or less powerful device can also make the drag-and-drop interface feel sluggish, especially if your computer struggles with memory-intensive tasks. To improve performance, try clearing your browser cache, using a faster internet connection, simplifying your design, or switching to a supported browser like Chrome or Edge. If this video helped explain why the WIX editor might feel slow, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.